Hey everyone, so recently we have made some changes in your inventory permission. So earlier, as you know, that you used to see that there was the inventory module permission was not separate, like add and edit and delete item permission were singly clubbed. Now what changes we have made? We have split those permission. Let me show you exactly what we have did and how it will be helpful to you. So first of all, let us go to settings module. Now, once you will come in settings module, need to go to teams. Now I will select this particular team, and what I will do, I will simply just type inventory here. Now, once I will go to inventory, please check. As you can see here, now new more permissions have been released and have been introduced. What are these? So the very first is related to the inventory, view inventory module. Then after moderate access on inventory module, then full access, and then critical access. Now, what does critical and moderate means? Let me show you. So the very first is view item masters. That is normal like before. Next is add item. So now we have split the add, edit, and delete. So suppose if any of your team only add the inventory items, he doesn't need to edit or delete it. You can just give him the add inventory product permission, and you can remove this edit and delete critical permission. Suppose if someone is only adding and editing, then keep it to second. Do not provide the last permission. And if he is able to add, edit, and delete, then you need to provide the full permission. Barcode permission also we have separated, and inventory stock movement permission also we have separated. So earlier it was just around the same permission in the very end, that was for the add, edit, stock. Now we have separated that, and we have mentioned that one person can view the inventory stock movement and another can go ahead and change the stock of inventory products. Now, this includes manual adjustment, stock transfer, and PSR. All three are in single permission. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your team permission efficiently. Have a good day ahead.